Okay, Theater Lane. So we have Queens.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Theater Lane. So we have Queens, Jimmy's Kitchen, Carmel. Okay, you can kind of read this right here if you want. Back in the 19th century, Central District, a dozen alley-like streets existed in this area, and it's also known as Egg Street. So, okay, I'll just let you read it, but you can basically pause, stop, and see. And we're gonna see what's on the other side. Soho, okay. Some of the main streets here, so you can see those who are here. And this is all written in Chinese, so if you don't speak English, you still want to see it. That's what it says. And we're just gonna keep going. I see something, the Peddler Building, all right. Yeah, it must have been quite a bit different now, back then. Now it's mostly these kind of buildings. But I suppose at one time it was much different. Okay, this is also where you can take, just a way to take a train station is back here. So, okay. That's the train, and there's a bunch of little booths here. You can buy stamps, keys, things like that. And I think we're gonna walk through this, which looks a little bit like construction, but yeah, Theater Street, it looks it's very different now. It's more like a passageway, I guess, just to get from one place to the next. And this one right here, Lion Chur. It's interesting. Okay. So we just came out one side and now we're on the other side. And I'm gonna try to cross the street and might even take a bus to where I'm gonna go. Stop just for a minute. So these little trams, there's a little tram line right there. Goes all the way down. These are domestic helpers on their Sunday day off. And you'll see a lot of them around here, this area. There's a well-known Jollibees. I think I filmed in this area before and filmed the Jollibees as well, so. Currency exchanges. Okay. So we're gonna try to cross the street, but maybe I'll conclude in this spot right here. Just gonna get over to the side a little bit if we can. So, okay, this is Worldwide Plaza, so this is basically the other side. And I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna pause and do another one in a minute.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.